All right, everyone, so a quick how-to video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove these what seem to be permanent marks on your tub. This got a bit of a purple blackish tinge to it. Actually happened after using bleach. We did have our drain cover sitting here and I guess the bleach sat too long. I've tried using everything from more bleach, a magic eraser, tub cleaner, and nothing worked. However, I will tell you the secret on how to get these stains out. All right, and that secret is hydrogen peroxide. So just get yourself just some regular hydrogen peroxide and let me show you how this works. The first time I did it, it completely blew my mind because it seriously just erased this without any issues. So let's go ahead and pop this open and I'll pour it on there and you can see exactly for yourself how quickly this works. See, and just like that, it's completely remove the stain. When I first started, this was a huge circle. I tried it once and it worked so awesome that I just had to stop and make a video for you guys. So as always, if you like the content, make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just drop them down below. We'll see you around for the next one.